Hi everyone, welcome back to Fluent with Looki. Today, let's tackle one of the most important and most feared questions in English. Tell me about yourself. Have you ever heard this in an interview and felt totally blank? Or maybe you stammer and lose confidence. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a perfect, natural answer. We'll learn a simple structure that works every time. And you'll practice with me, speaking out loud. So don't skip. Watch till the end. I promise you'll feel confident answering this question anywhere. And yes, if the video is useful to you, be sure to subscribe to the channel because we are constantly updating our videos to make your English learning journey easier. Before we start, let me tell you a quick story. When I first had to answer, "Tell me about yourself," in English, I froze. My mind went blank. I didn't know what to say, and I spoke like a robot. But then I learned this one simple method, and everything changed. Now, I can answer this question in interviews, classes, even while making new friends. Today, I'll teach you that same method. Are you ready? Let's go. So, why do people ask, "Tell me about yourself"? It's the first question in interviews. Teachers ask it in class introductions. It even comes up at parties, networking events, meeting new people. It's not just a question, it's your chance to make a great first impression. But most English learners panic because they don't have a plan. Today, you'll get a plan that always works. If you want to make a good impression in English, you need this. All right, let's break it down. I call it the three-part answer. It's super easy. Part 1, who you are. Part 2, what you do or did. Part 3, what you want or like. You can remember it as past, present, future. Part 1, who you are. Your name, where you're from. Keep it simple. Example, "Hi, I'm Aisha from Bangladesh." "My name is Raj. I'm from India." Part 2, what you do or did. Job, study, experience. What you're doing now. Example, "I'm studying English at university." "I work as a software developer." "I've been teaching for 3 years." Part 3, what you want or like. Your goal, interest, personal detail. Example, "I want to improve my English to work abroad." "I love meeting new people and learning about cultures." "My goal is to become a teacher." That's it. 3 parts. Easy to remember. Who, what, why. Past, present, future. If you can do these 3 steps, you can always answer, "Tell me about yourself," naturally. Now, let's see some complete answers. Listen carefully. Then, repeat after me. Example 1, student. "Hi, I'm Rajesh from Mumbai. I'm studying English literature at the University of Manchester. I want to improve my speaking skills to teach English in the future." Now, repeat after me. "Hi, I'm Rajesh from Mumbai. I'm studying English literature at the University of Manchester. I want to improve my speaking skills to teach English in the future." Example 2, professional. "Hello, my name is Imran. I'm from Dhaka. I work as a marketing manager. I want to develop my communication skills to work internationally." Repeat with me. "Hello, my name is Imran. I'm from Dhaka. I work as a marketing manager. I want to develop my communication skills to work internationally." Example 3, casual or friendly. "Hi, I'm Maria from Lahore. I recently finished my degree in business. I love learning new languages and meeting people from different cultures." Now repeat with me. "Hi, I'm Maria from Lahore. I recently finished my degree in business. I love learning new languages and meeting people from different cultures." You see? Easy and natural. You don't have to memorize difficult grammar. Just follow the 3 steps. Now, it's your turn. Think about these 3 parts for yourself. who you are, what you do, what you want. Take a moment. Now, say it out loud with me. Ready? Hi, my name is, I'm from, I study, I want to. Amazing job! Type your answer in the comments below. I love reading them and I'll reply to help you improve. Let's make your answer even better. Here are some bonus tips to sound more natural and professional. Tip 1. Add your experience. I have 3 years of experience in teaching. I've been working in sales for 5 years. Tip 2. Include your skills. I specialize in project management. I'm passionate about creative writing. Tip 3. Show your personality. I love traveling and exploring new places. I enjoy reading books in my free time. Tip 4. Practice with different variations. Formal for interviews, friendly for casual introductions. Example: formal. Hello, I'm Faisal from Karachi. I have 5 years of experience in finance. I'm looking to expand my career internationally and improve my English communication. Example: friendly. Hi, I'm Anderson from Italy. I work in finance. I love meeting new people and want to travel the world someday. See the difference? Professional answers are structured and polished. Friendly answers are relaxed and personal. Practice both. Pause this video if you need to. Practice your own answer. Say it out loud again and again. Speaking is a skill. The more you practice, the better you get. Comment your answer below. I'll help you fix it if you want to. Don't be shy. This is a safe space to learn. Great job, everyone! Today you learned why tell me about yourself is so important. A simple 3-part formula you can use anywhere. Multiple example answers, speaking and listening practice, advanced tips to customize your answer. If you found this video helpful, please hit like. It really supports the channel. Subscribe for more English speaking and listening practice, and share this video with a friend who wants to improve their English too. Thank you for watching till the end. Remember, you can do this. You can speak English confidently. See you in the next video. Bye.